Welcome back to Doing It in the Dirt. This one here, folks, I do not recommend you do at home or try without knowing what you're doing, because I'm not sure if I know what I'm doing. I wouldn't recommend this, period. Today we are getting the gel, the tar, slime sludge out of the bottom of the gas tank again, but this time it's a different truck. And down the bottom of that tank is about a ½ inch of diesel fuel that has turned back to crude oil. It looks like tar. So what I've done is I drained all the fuel out of it and filled it with laundry soap and water. Now there's fumes coming out of there, as you can see, oh, and I'm heating it underneath with a weed burner, blowtorch. Yeah, those fumes coming out of there might be flammable. Yeah. So, but the idea is to heat up the water in there, and you know what happens to oil or tar when it becomes heated? It not solidifies, but liquefies, and hopefully will float on top of the water when I go to pour it out. And here's what it looks like. I'll attach a picture of what it looks like, but this is what I'm stirring up out of the bottom with the brush. And we should be boiling pretty quick here. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Nice. You can tell by the feel of it, it feels like slime instead of tar. But oh yeah, look at that. Oh, boogers. I don't want to put that back in there. Anyhow, there you go. I gotta get back to work. Y'all have fun now. Thanks for watching.